Barret Wertz here, Commerce Editorial Director for Post Wanted, where savvy shoppers come for the most wanted sales, shopping guides, and product reviews. We all know buying tech for our home can be frustrating and can get really expensive really fast. Connecting to a printer can literally be the bane of my existence. I recently had to connect to one, and it was surprising how complicated it was as I watched my phone search for a Bluetooth device that it just never found. So I went looking for a printer to make my life easier, and what I kept finding was HP. HP, known as America's most trusted printer brand, keeps introducing features and services that aim to make its products easier to connect, use, and maintain. Some even save you money in the long run, and I'm talking hundreds. I wanted to know more, so we got our hands on the HP Envy Inspire to put it to the test. This does-it-all model is really intended for households that might have different types of users with different printing needs. It's ideal for those of us who print everything from occasional documents and schoolwork to photos, and even professionals who need a printer every day. I'm ready to put it to work for the first time right here, right now. The Envy Inspire has a sleek design and features a dual tray system for multi-purpose printing that accommodates a large sheet capacity and high-quality photo printing. It's got a scanner, and with the HP app, you can even send a fax. More importantly, with the HP app, you're able to scan documents and print from anywhere. Typically, new ink cartridges will run you about $20 for the black and $25 or so for the tricolor. So depending on how much you're printing, upkeep can get quite expensive. But perhaps whether you're a frequent printer or you just don't want to have to worry about when to restock on ink, you might want to consider subscribing to HP's Instant Ink, a service by HP that can save you up to 50% on ink. Plans are tiered and include everything from light printing, which starts at 10 pages for $1.49 a month, to frequent printing, which goes up to 700 pages for $27.99 a month. That's cheaper than your typical streaming subscription and well worth the convenience. And the great thing about the Envy Inspire is that it comes with a 3-month trial of Instant Ink included right in the box. But this is more than just getting new ink cartridges every few months. Your printer will actually track how much ink you're using and automatically ship original HP ink cartridges to your home, including everything you need to recycle the empty ones. You don't have to remember a thing. After the 3 months, a monthly fee will be charged automatically unless you cancel your enrollment in the plan, which is super easy to do. Also worth noting that you'll need to sign up for HP Plus in order to redeem the 3-month trial offer, but more on that shortly. Connecting it to the device and network is where the HP app really simplifies things. Today I'll be using my iPhone, but you can also connect via the network with an Android or Windows or Mac computer. So I've already downloaded the HP app and signed in using my account. This is where you'll be prompted to sign up for HP Plus, and this is basically an option to get a bunch of additional features and benefits that you really shouldn't pass up. Like an extra year added to the warranty of the printer, the ability to send faxes via the HP app, and as I alluded to earlier, it's what enables you to use the Instant Ink and the 3-month trial of service. Right away, you'll notice some of the features that I mentioned earlier. In addition to the scanner on the printer, you can also scan on the go using the camera scanner directly from your phone. Your fax functionality is located here. You can also access free printable content. You can check on your printer status and quickly monitor ink levels. Now let's see what I can print directly from my phone. I'll do a picture of my dog, Gloria, who is perfect. Print with HP Smart. Printing. I'm using the normal settings for this test, at which you can get around 15 pages per minute. Color would be about 10. This printer claims vibrant and true-to-phone quality photos, and I'm not gonna lie, this certainly looks pretty impressive. It only took a few seconds to print. You can even print custom messages on the back of 4x6 photos. The HP app actually includes some templates in case you want to personalize them to send them out as greeting cards. As I'm using this, it's clear that this is a solid multifunctional printer that's ideal for a busy household, or even your everyday on-the-go New Yorker like me. For more information on the Envy Inspire and Instant Ink, check out our full Post Wanted review at nypost.com.